Want to check if your vision is changing? Using an Amsler Grid is a way to check for vision changes between regularly scheduled visits with your retina specialist. An Amsler Grid is a simple square with a grid pattern and a dot at the middle. When used correctly, it can help detect changes in your vision. Here's how to use it. First, download and print an Amsler Grid from the Gr8 eye movement website. Then, hang it on a wall or refrigerator at eye level in a well-lit room. If you normally wear contacts or glasses to read, keep them on and stand about a foot away from the Amsler Grid. Cover one eye with your hand or a piece of paper. With the other eye open, focus on the dot in the center of the grid. You should still be aware of the lines on the grid. While focusing on the dot, ask yourself these questions. Are any of the lines wavy, blurry, or missing? Are there any dark, blurred, or blank spots on the grid? Do any of the squares appear to be smaller or larger than the others? If you can say yes to any of these questions, mark with a pencil on your Amsler Grid where you notice the change. Now, switch eyes and repeat the same process. If you do notice any blurred, distorted, wavy, or missing lines, dark spots, or other changes, contact your eye doctor right away to schedule an appointment so they can evaluate your eye health. Keeping an eye on your eyesight with the Amsler Grid is an easy step toward recognizing any vision changes.